Are you guys feeling inspired by the new Tati palette? Clearly I am. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create this eye look and tell you all about the palette. Alright guys, so diving right in. Here's the palette. It's this black matte little bit of texture right here. It slides out, and then obviously here's the actual palette. This is what it looks like. So again, it's matte. It says Tati Beauty in gold, rose gold right here. Here's the palette, guys. It's beautiful. Now each row has 4 different formulas. So it has a matte formula, a sequin formula, a metallic formula, and a glitter formula. And they're all the same colors in the same row. So we have a black row, a brown one, orange, tanned, light, and then a burgundy row at the end, which is probably my favorite row because I gravitate towards that color more than I do the others. But we're gonna play around and create a look using as many of these shadows as possible. I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm gonna go in with this one, and then we're gonna go in with this one, and then we're gonna top it off with this one. Okay. For the transition color, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, the Soothe. It's the matte formula, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease. We're gonna be going in with a fluffy blending brush. Now this does have a lot of kick up once you apply the brush on the shade. Top it off. Next, we're gonna go in with Poet, this color right here. And it's gonna be the matte formula as well. I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. Picking up another brush, we're gonna go in with Poet, but with the sequin formula up here. Now the sequin formula is supposed to be a matte shade, still being a matte formula, but with a little bit of shimmer and sparkle to it. It's something that it hasn't been done before, and it's a first. So I'm excited to see how this shade works out because it's still a matte shade, but it has some shimmer to it. So I'm excited. And one thing I must say about these shades so far is that they blend so seamlessly and smooth, and the formulas feel like butter. Like once you place these eyeshadows on your eyes, it feels like butter, literally. I am completely shocked by this formula. Next, we're gonna go in with the glitter in the Poet row, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply that glitter all over the eyelid, the center of the eyelid towards the outer corner. I'm gonna be using my finger for that. So the glitter shade is obviously glitter, so it has a lot of fallout. It's falling down to my lower lash line, but it's fine because we're going to be blowing out the matte shade for Poet on my lower lash line to finish the look. But looking at this glitter shade, it sparkles and it looks amazing. Just adding the matte shade for Poet on my lower lash line just to finish the look out. We're gonna go back in with the original brush. We're gonna blend this out. And to finish this look, I'm going to apply the shade Aura, the glitter formula, on my inner corner just for a little pop. Once again, I'm going to use my finger. Just a tiny little bit. And we're going to try to place this in the inner corner just like that. This is what the look ended up looking like. I'm gonna finish the other eye off of camera and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. So this is the finished look, guys. So I'm gonna swatch my favorite row in the palette, which is the Poet row. I'm gonna start with the matte shade. Next, we're going in with the sequin formula. Next, we're going in with the metallic formula. And last but not least, we're going in with the glitter formula. Final thoughts. What do I think of the Tati palette? I think it is definitely worth the price. Boom. I think this palette is definitely worth the $48. I mean, when you really think about it, it's actually less than every palette I see at Sephora. Just yesterday I was just at Sephora and all the palettes were above $50 or $68, almost $70 palettes. And I feel like this palette is definitely worth that and more, just because of the different formulas that you get in this palette. You pretty much have a matte formula, which we all need some mattes. We have the new sequin formula, which is an amazing formula to work with. It looks great as well. We also have the metallic formula and the glitter formula. Not every palette brings glitters in them. I mean, nowadays most of them are, but this is definitely a fun palette to work with. As you can see, this look is definitely very festive, and I'm definitely going to be rocking this for the holidays as well. So I love this palette. I'm going to continue using this palette from here on out. It's probably going to be my everyday palette. It's definitely very user friendly. If you're new in makeup, this is a great palette to have because you don't need the best skill to be able to blend these shadows because they blend themselves. So I think that this palette is 100% approved. And that's it for this video. Make sure you guys leave your comments down below. Hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well before you leave. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till next time, thank you guys and see ya. And then, ta-da, ta-da. Oh my god. It's gonna be hell.
Maybe cover it with the cover.
Wait, she says it slides back.
Oh, okay.
So I guess I can just do this without ruining the shadow.
Trash. Can't relate.
Oh my god, we're not doing that. Which I'm scared because this, you need to be very careful with glitters because if they go in your eye, you go blonde.
You call it
I
like
think I'm
gold
gonna
leaf.
show up to my sister's house for Thanksgiving like this.
Oh, okay.
Like, hey bitches, be blinded.
No, you have to do it again. I was talking.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Okay, now let's do the swatches.